Welcome to Paris. No, this is actually cliche. So yeah. 8 things you didn't know about Paris, France. So here we are for the first day in Paris. We went to the So West Mall where he works at. This is in the city of Levallois. It's probably like what, 30 minutes from Paris. So yeah, we have Zara Home, and then yeah, we have some stores from America in here too at the same time. The good thing about in Paris, the stores, they already have the prices at the display, so you don't really need to go inside, so you know how much it is right away. So yeah, every single one does have the prices on the bottom because according to Seb, that's the law. So like for example, this one, the prices are here already. You already know just by looking at the display how much it is. And then the good thing about it is that whatever you see, that's how much it is, including the tax already and stuff like that. So which is really nice. So, yeah. There you go. He does have work until 7:30, so I'm going to pick him up here later. For the meantime, I'm just going to stroll around. It's gonna be an easy day for me. It's gonna be a relaxing day. And then after this, I'm just gonna go back home into the apartment and then stay there for a little bit and then wait for him. And then we're going to start our night later because he doesn't have work for the next 3 days. Welcome to Paris. No, this is actually cliche. So yeah, I just dropped him off at work, and then now I'm just going to go back to the apartment. It's really nice. It's really simple. It's so quiet here right now because it's Sunday and almost everything is closed, so which is good. And it's not so busy, as you can see. The streets are not so as busy as it should be on a regular day, so which is really nice. Today is going to be a relaxing day. I'm just going to go back to the apartment and then just unwind and then probably take a nap because of the jet lagged. But other than that, yeah, it's gonna be an amazing day because it's a rest day. And yeah. Levallois station. Look how gorgeous that is. So pretty. And then this is the junction between Clichy and Levallois. And then we're gonna go to his hometown, Seb's hometown, called Clichy. Features of France. The road is too small. The cars are small. And then they do have a lot of motorcycle. Yeah, I'm gonna show you how big the road is. That's it. That's how big the road is. It's kind of like this one is one way, but it's really small. Look at the cars. The cars are so small. They have a lot of bicycle and motorcycle, and then look at the small car, and then even the buildings. It's like small, but it's cute. So yeah, it's really simple, I think. But I like it. I like the way it is. They have a lot of stores. It's a quaint little town, I think. Look at that small car right there. So it was really nice. But it has only 2 lanes. No, actually 1 lane for every car. It's not like our regular cars that we see in America. So yeah, it's kind of like good to see and good to know about this. This is their junction. Look at the houses. The apartments are so pretty. So when in France, the taxis are Mercedes. Look at that. 1, 2, 3. It's all Mercedes, but it's taxis. You just need to be careful here when you go walk around and stuff. Why? Because unlike in America that you do have the right of way, here they don't care. So you have to be careful on that. There's no like pedestrian right of way. It's not like America. So that's the thing. The vehicles has the right of way. But anyways, that's kind of like an interesting thing to know about and to put things in mind, because it's really interesting. Anyways, but look how gorgeous are the buildings. It's nice. I really like it. I really like the history behind it. Everything is going up rather than expanding horizontally. It's going vertically. So yeah, and then this one is the L'Oreal factory that they have in Clichy. So all of your L'Oreal products, it's from here. Your L'Oreal products is coming from here. This is the L'Oreal building. There you go. So lunchtime, we're just going to go to this small bakery called Le Palais Gourmand. So we're gonna go get some food. This one too. Baguettes, and the bread. Let's see what we're gonna get today. Yum, look at that. Yeah. I got the pizza and the meringue part. The meringue. Look how pretty that is. So nice. So I'm hungry. I'm really hungry. So don't be fooled by those green crosses here, because in America we already know that one is for marijuana joint stores. Here it's the pharmacy in Paris. So yeah. So only in France, toilet that self-cleaning. Ta-da! In the middle of the road. And then it does have the self-cleaning one.
So in this toilet you have you can go to do the popo or number one, the chichi, and after when you're done you go outside and the door closed and you have like a shower for cleaning every part of the toilets, and after you can go. You have just only 20 minutes for make the things you want to do.
So this is a self-cleaning one, and then after somebody use it, you have to get out, and then don't go in right away because it's going to be cleaning it. It's gonna be cleaned, and yeah, and then wait for the light to turn green again, right? Okay.
Thank you very much for watching this.
Carlo from Carlo&Seb channel.
I will see you again in the next video. Bye. Have a wonderful day. Do what makes you happy. And then if you haven't seen our latest unboxing, this is regarding about the Paris haul that we had December to January 2020. So check this out. It's already live on our channel, Carlo&Seb channel. Thank you very much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Do what makes you happy. Bye.